Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. T.Rowe Price is a Fortune 500 company within the asset management industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 8.1%, thumbs up. Earnings growth, 16.6%, thumbs up. Earnings estimates, 12.2%, thumbs up. Return on capital, 30.43%, thumbs up. Debt to free cash flow, no debt, thumbs up. Share buybacks, yes, thumbs up. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 3.33%, thumbs up. Payout ratio, 33.86%, thumbs up. Growth rate, 14.87%, thumbs up. Growth years, 35 years, thumbs up. 10 out of 10 thumbs up. Excellent, that's a perfect score. You might want to take a closer look on T.Rowe Price for your dividend portfolio. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.